Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for specialty food business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can see templates. You can go from here. Here you can choose the topic and you can choose the type of your business. For example, the food, specialty food. For example, food. The topic food is here. Online store. The type is online store and might be services. So that's it. Here you can choose one of these templates and you can start with one of these here, and also you can build your own template. So let's get started from here. Let's go. Here you can enter and type your business name. Type any name for specialty food business as you like. Here you can build your homepage section by section, and then as many or as a few sections as you need. So here the first section, the intro section, might be an attractive section to attract people. For example, I'm gonna go with this. Also the product section, so all the sections might be attractive. Try to find the attractive one, so try your best to find any attractive thing to uh, to attract people. That's it. Now let's continue. Here you can add page to your site. Here you can choose the color palette. So for example, for this you can choose the color which match with this business for specialty food. um, for example, this. Also the fonts, you can choose any font here as you like. Now let's finish. Wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can choose if you want to continue and describe more your website, something about your website, or if you want to skip. I'm gonna just skip this. So now this is your homepage website right now. You can edit it from here. Just click here, and the first thing here is this. So first you can change this from here. For example, welcome. You can type, for example, welcome to our site for specialty food. Wait, specialty food, like this. You can also change the button, the label, the text button here. Just click here and you can, for example, order now. As you like, you can change it. So the background, you can click here the background and you can choose if you wanna just choose here a simple arch or an image from here. So for example, let's search on image on browse on the browser. So here you can search for specialty food. For example, um, so I'm gonna choose this. You can choose wherever you like. You can choose anything much with your business of specialty food. So that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here add section, and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here as you like. That's it. Now let's move on to the site header. So here you can change the site title, and you can upload a logo image from here, the file, or you can upload uh, from your library. Also here the mobile logo image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the elements. Also here you can turn this on and change the label, the text of this label, the icon style. If you want to add something on your section, just click here and you can select text or image or video or button as you like. So that's it. You can make this bigger like this to attract more people. You can change the color as you like. Here you can save the section from here. You can duplicate it or move it down or move it up, and that's it. So that's it for today. That's it for this video. I'm gonna continue this business on the second video, on the second part of this business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the second part in the next video.